Hi guys, done a few of these kits and done a few rockets recently. This one caught my eye by Fine Engineer, and it's the Tintin moon rocket. Tintin or Tintin, depending on your pronunciation. One of the comic strips from my youth. Just 3 pieces, that shouldn't take long to put together. And there we are, done. It's only 3 pieces to slot together. He has angled the slots so they do line up properly. That's rather an elegant rocket. If I can find a link, I'll put a link in the video description to a Tintin episode. I expect there's one on YouTube somewhere. Had a lot of trouble with the printer tonight, so this was really a test piece. Had to put a new nozzle in the end. It's because I tried using some of my old filament and it blocked up the nozzle. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave us a comment so we know how we're doing.